A new COVID variant just emerged with over 50 spike mutations. It's called Cicada, and it's raising eyebrows around the world. Cicada has more than 70 mutations compared to the original virus, so naturally experts are concerned about immune escape and potentially faster transmission. But here's what you actually need to know. There's no evidence yet of higher severity or deaths. Symptoms are mostly mild: cough, fatigue, runny nose, headache, sore throat, mild fever. Pretty standard stuff. And vaccines still protect against severe illness. Stay informed, not alarmed. Follow for more health updates.